Welcome to this PlanGrid tutorial. If you're in the construction industry and looking for a powerful tool to manage blueprints, field reports, and real-time collaboration, PlanGrid is one of the best solutions available. In this guide, we'll cover what PlanGrid is and why it's essential for construction teams, key features that help boost productivity, how to set up and use PlanGrid efficiently. So before we get started, first let's know what is PlanGrid. PlanGrid is a construction management software that helps contractors, project managers, and engineers digitally manage blueprints, documents, and reports in real time. It eliminates the need for paper based workflows and allows teams to access the latest project updates from any device. So it has the cloud based document management, real time collaboration, issue tracking and markups, offline access, and integration with Autodesk Construction Cloud. So now let's get started. So from here in the PlanGrid website, simply get started for free. Click right here. So after signing up for an account, you will now be redirected to your main dashboard. So as you can see, I have sample data right here. So this is the uh, dashboard for your PlanGrid. So as you can see, you'll see everything there is or everything for your progress. So you'll see your project progress right here. You'll see your recent activity, quick links, site weather, work status, your bridge. So next we have the sheets feature right here. So when you click right here, you'll see all of your sheets. So what's good about trying it for free is they have sample data for you to know how you can use the platform effectively. So as you can see, we have this sheet right here. So let's try and open it. So just wait for it to load. And as you can see, this is how it will look like. So you can upload all of these sheets right here, such as this one right here. So you'll see all of your sheets here in the Sheets section. Next, we have the File section. So of course, as it said right here, Files. So you have all of your folders and packages right here that contains all of your files, such as files for your contracts, files for your blueprints, and all that. Next, we have the specifications. So from here, we will see published specifications right here. So if you have already published one, you will always see it right here. So if you have published specifications, or if you don't have one yet, of course you'll need to build first. Next is issues. So you can see if you want to create an issue, just click right here. You can always start from a template. You can add the title, status, type. So simply fill up all of this information right here to create your issue. Next is forms. So we will see all of the forms right here. So we currently don't have any sample forms. So if you can create, you can always create one. So as you can see, we have sample templates such as the daily report form, or daily safety inspection, job hazard analysis, and timesheets. Next is photos. Of course, if you have uploaded photos, you can always see it right here. So you can see your photos and videos live here. So you can add some photos or videos into the project and they will appear here. Of course, you can always filter photos right here on the right side. And to add one, simply click right here and upload yours. Next is RFIs. We have our RFIs right here. So again, we always have the create RFI button. So if you don't have or have any RFIs assigned yet, just simply create one, follow all of this or fill up all of this information and you're good to go. Next is submittals. So as you can see, to create or to start creating submittals, you need to select at least one submittal manager and choose the project's numbering method. So just follow these instructions right here to create your submittal. Next is meetings. Of course, you can always create meetings right here where you can record the agenda, discussion, and decisions in the same place you keep your project data. So basically, it's like a CRM right here. You also have the correspondence. So just create from here. We also have schedule. So again, this is like a all-in-one CRM for you. So you can see if you have any schedules or plans right here. If you don't have one, simply create. So next is we have our assets. We'll see all of our assets right here, our assets, our systems. So you can create your assets right here. As you can see, create a name, category, all of this. Of course, we can also add systems. You can also, if you don't want to create them one by one, you can always import from a CSV file. Next is reports. So we'll see all our reports right here. Next is members, where you can add all of your team members. Of course, just click on add member. And from here, you can add project members. So simply add their email address, click on enter, and they will now be invited to PlanGrid to work with you. And that's basically all of the features. So if you want to create a new project, of course, just click on build. You can see right here. And this is how you can start. Just fill in all of the sheets, files, on all of these features right here. So again, to familiarize yourself with PlanGrid, just freely explore more about all of its features and how it can help you, or how PlanGrid can leverage you with your work or your business needs. So that's basically it. So just follow all of the uh, instructions needed to submit all of the files and data that you need, and you're good to go. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.